I'm Jennifer Howard from Cottage on Bunker Hill, and you're watching Home Talk.
This project starts out with a wire coat hanger, and I am going to take it and I am pulling it downwards, inwards to make it long like this. Now I'm going to take a block of floral foam. I'm using the floral foam you use when you're doing fresh arrangements that holds water. For this project, I'm using some fresh greenery. I just went out back in my woods and cut a big basket full. This project you can do with faux greenery as well. You just use the other kind of floral foam. So I'm going to take this, and I have some zippy ties, and I am going to attach the floral foam to the wire hanger. Right, and I'm going to do the same thing on the bottom of this. Now I'm just going to start adding the greenery to this. This one's a little long. Let me trim it up. I'm going to save the smaller pieces as well to use to fill in. And I'm just going to take it and I'm just poking it into the floral foam. Like I say, you could use faux florals from the craft store and it will come out just as beautiful. Now that I have a few big pieces in, I'm going to start using some of those little smaller branches that I cut off. And it gets pretty cold here in the winter, so my fresh greenery tends to last for a long time outside. I'm going to start adding some different greenery in. I'm just pushing it right into the foam. Right now I have some red berries that I cut in my backyard. I'm just going to stick some berries in here. And I also grabbed some pine cones when I was out. And I'm just going to take some floral wire and just put some near the end so I can hang these on the swag as well.
I'm Jennifer Howard from Cottage on Bunker Hill. Thank you for watching Home Talk, and I'll see you next time.